The second section is also 8-bar sections, and this is only double stops, only chords, so we have to keep a balance between the two lines. Every time in the piece we will play two lines, and we have to auto-balance every time and decide which note is the most important and which note is the note that we have to show. So in this section we will give more importance to the bottom note, that is every time is the open string. So I am playing every time more on the open strings and a little bit less on the top notes. Talking about connection between sections, we will use every time the open strings to keep the line. For example, the last bar of the introduction, I will keep the open string and connect it with like this. But we have to remember that we have at the beginning sul ponticello, and on the bar number 9 we have ordinario. So we have to change color and make clear this transition of sound like this. So when we start the second section, we have to get a new color of sound, richer and kind of meaty or fat. So I will play the second section and we can continue. Okay, in this new section is the longest section, and we will focus on the melody. It's the first place when you will find melody, and obviously we have to show it. So from this bar 17 until bar 53, we will give more importance to the melody. There are different registers to the melody in the different sections between this long section. We start in this register, but we after change to this. And later we have this register. We have to be very careful to keep the same sonority even when we are changing registers. I strongly recommend to get a good quality of sound and good connection of the whole melody without the second line before to play the whole stuff. So when you get a good quality of the melody, then the second step is to add the second note. So I will work first on just melody. Trying to keep every time the same line, even when I am changing strings. And then when I have a good result of this, I add the second note. Particular section, we have melody on a very low register, so we will play even less on the open strings to really show the low register melody.